Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Amog, the social media team of Blue Rose Publishers, and welcome to our Instagram live. So, जो हमारे regular viewers हैं, they have an idea that what this live is gonna be about. जो नए हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं उनके लिए I'll give you an explanation. कि we do this very often and हम एक author का interview लेते हैं and that author is a new published author. So we want you people to show your support to that particular author. And let me tell you first thing about Blue Rose Publishers. Blue Rose Publishers is a self-publishing house. We have been in this industry for last 10 years now, and we have almost published 18,000 plus authors and with various genres and all this scenario. So if you have any query regarding publishing or regarding anything that you might come up with or through the Instagram live that you need to acknowledge that, so we'll drop our number as well, our sales consultant number, and you can reach out to them and you can inquire about our packages and all these things that you want to inquire. And if you are writing, if you are not sure, so we help you in that particular scenario as well. So let me give you a brief about the author that we are kind of introducing today as well. So his name is Siddharth Singh, and he has published a book called The Healing Harbor. And particular book is about love story and how the love demands of psychological and emotional aspect of the book as well. So yes, I guess the author is here. So please show your support to our upcoming authors and our newest author right now. Let me.
Hi, Amok, right?
Hi, Phil. Hi. How are you doing today? I'm not able to see your video somehow.
Um, can you see it now? I mean, can you see it
Um,
now? Am I visible?
Just give me 1 second. I guess might be some technical glitch.
Yeah.
Um, can you join once again? Matlab,
Hanji, I'll do that. Yeah.
sure. So sorry guys for the technical failure. Please bear with us. We're just inviting him back.
Hello. Yes.
Yes,
Can you
yes,
see me
yes.
now?
Now you're visible. Hi. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm doing well. Can you
Yeah.
hear me well?
Yes. Definitely.
Yeah, great. So,
So,
yes.
how are you feeling? Firstly, before we start off with the interview, how are you feeling today?
So I'm feeling great, pretty excited to share my story and all the questions around it. So I look forward to a lot of new things coming up, and especially the book. When there's an author interaction with
Mm.
the readers, then I think readers also enjoy reading the book because they get to know the mindset. So that is what I am here for. And, it's a personal touch. This is what I feel. So I'm
Exactly.
excited, happy, and elated to have this and to connect with my readers here. So these are
Perfect.
my
This
feelings
is your,
right
this is
now.
your first book as well, right?
Sorry. Yeah, this is my debut.
Okay,
So,
this is your debut novel.
yeah.
First of all, we'll try to get some information on you for our followers and for our audience as well. That who is
Yes.
Siddharth Singh? Matlab, if you have to explain very briefly, who is Siddharth Singh?
Okay, so who is Siddharth Singh is the question that I ask myself on a regular basis. But
Okay.
to say it in one line, he is an author right now. He's a he's a student of international relations. He's a student of law, and he's
Mhm.
also a student of finance. And dreams of and with big dreams and with big ambitions, he is there here, right? here in this world to make small strides and make these small efforts into big strides. So yes, this is what Siddharth Singh is.
Perfect, perfect.
And
So,
yes.
tell our audience little bit about your background as well. Matlab, what study have you done and how you
Okay.
got into writing first of all.
Okay. I So, I have an international relations degree from OP Jindal Global University,
Okay.
where, and then I did my MBA in finance. After which, I am planning my PhD now. So I'm planning to do my second master's or and then move on to PhD.
PhD.
That
Okay.
yes,
Great,
that's
great,
my
great.
plan eventually.
Hmm.
And other than that, I like to read, I like to swim, and I
You like to
also love to
swim?
cook. So yeah, I love
Okay.
swimming, and especially as a young kid, I used to go in the open sea and I used to swim, and these things were quite common there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yes, so
So
that.
how you got that matlab, from swimming and from all this background study and
So,
all this. So how you
yes,
got?
yes, yes. So, as a kid, I was a very imaginative child, and whatever used to happen in the school, like, parents are always asking, somebody is asking you what's happening. So, I mean, I
Hmm.
used to speak a lot, and sometimes I used to just bluff, like create my own stories and just say that, this is what used to happen and things like that. So, that
Hmm.
storyteller was always in me. And then eventually, my undergrad had a lot of writing to do, especially academic
Hmm.
writing. We were like
Hmm.
supposed to write about all these things about China, about US, about political philosophy, about how uh, foreign policy works, and etc. etc. A lot
Hmm.
of difficult subjects out there. So then slowly I realized this passion. I said I'm a good storyteller. Now I'm a good writer. So let's combine these two. I've got some time at hand, and just let's write this essay, like write an essay first, and then that
Hmm.
essay became a book because I started writing it, and then it expanded to a certain level that it became a full and final book with a lot of emotional gravitas to it. So yes,
Okay. So you mentioned politics. You have done in your
yes,
grad. You were involved in kind of that particular subject. So अभी
yes,
let's just talk about the recent scenario. अभी एक movie आई है धुरंधर.
yes. I haven't watched it, but I intend to watch it soon.
Okay, you
वो
haven't watched it yet.
नहीं नहीं देखी है मैंने अभी तक.
अच्छा,
सो यस,
okay.
पर मुझे
So,
पता है कि टॉपिक किसके बारे
hmm,
में है. वो इट्स अबाउट इंडिया पाकिस्तान आई गेस, एंड इट इज
yes,
अबाउट
the
हाउ
spy,
इंडियन
the
स्पाई
technique.
सिस्टम वर्क्स,
Hmm,
एंड
hmm, hmm.
it is about Rahmat brothers in
Ah,
Karachi.
the
It's
major
about
Mohit.
that. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So
So,
I mean,
what political, philosophy do you have, like, जो you found कि little offense हो सकती है, but this kind of philosophy does exist. मतलब in your
uh,
mind, मतलब you haven't said it out loud anywhere, but you think कि हाँ एक ऐसी philosophy है, it exists, but somehow मैं अगर open out loud कहूँगा तो it might create some, offense for people. So ऐसी कोई
yes.
particular
So
philosophy?
हाँ ऐसी है. So it's called. I think it is when ultra orthodox religious beliefs
Hmm.
for me is a place which I don't like, but it exists, and it's okay. So it's all right. I mean, we've got ultra Orthodox Jews, we have got
Hmm.
ultra Orthodox Christians, we have got every ultra Orthodox ideology. So I stay away from it, but it exists, so we can't do anything much about it.
मतलब
So
एक घर पे
yeah.
भी सिनेरियो होता है ना कि एक जैसे पापा पॉलिटिकल काफी एक्टिव रहते हैं एंड दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड एज योर इंटरेस्ट और इट वाज सम अदर रीजन.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरा रीजन ये था कि मैं बचपन से एनसाइक्लोपीडियाज बहुत पढ़ता था.
ओके.
एंड मुझे लाइक न्यूज़पेपर्स में भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट था, मुझे जनरल नॉलेज में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट था. तो
हम्म.
वैसे करते करते मैं
ओके.
इसमें पॉलिटिक्स में मैं घुस गया, and then of course Model United Nations तो है ही which
Okay.
was like a new thing for our generation. Now it's become very common,
Common.
but it had just started in our time. So back in 2015, 2016, it was a new name, so I got pulled into that. So that's how it was. So
Okay.
ऐसे political entry हुई है मेरी, but yes. So
So, जैसे suppose अभी आपके book का जो genre है that is way different
हाँ,
of what your interests are. So
yes.
ये particular reason आपके दिमाग में चीजें मतलब you have thought of a story या फिर उसके बाद मतलब you thought कि एक हट के भी कुछ चीजें करते हैं अपने उससे interest से.
हाँ, so you know what, my book isn't in one genre. अगर आप
Okay.
देखोगे तो my book has got some political elements in it. Then it slowly transforms into a psychological avenue है, फिर थोड़ा
Okay.
business का avenue है, फिर
हम्म
थोड़ा philosophy जिसको हम कहते हैं, classical
हम्म
philosophy, उसका
हम्म
avenue है, एंड
ओके
देन लव स्टोरी है तो फिर लास्ट में लव स्टोरी आती है. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल माय इंटरेस्ट्स टुगेदर.
हम्म
And it's there, I mean, everything is there. So the first I think 10 chapters, 10,
हम्म
11 chapters is
हम्म
political in nature. I want people to read it, so so that's why I'll not say कि क्या हुआ था, but yes, it has some politics going on with, uh, with an allied way of how journalism works, how politics works, how business works, and how these three are connected. तो एक
हम्म
कहानी वो उसमें in the first 10 chapters. So we should, I mean, if readers read it, so they'll get to know. And
नहीं
then
डेफिनेटली
it transitions into philosophy, after which it transcends into what love is. And that's how you figure out with time, with events, that how love is. Because life is not static. We have got our share of events which
हम्म
affect us. हमारे लाइफ में भी आज पॉलिटिक्स चल रहा है, yet our decisions are based out of those political decisions that take place, right? So we have to see that. So this is how
तो
the story is
जहाँ लोग
shown.
अलग अलग जॉनर पढ़ने के लिए कम से कम 5 बुक्स अगर आप अलग अलग जॉनर की पढ़ोगे तब जाके यू गॉट टू रियलाइज के हाँ कि मैंने लव
हाँ,
स्टोरी पढ़ी मैंने पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर पढ़ी मैंने फाइनेंस के ऊपर पढ़ी फिलोसफी के ऊपर पढ़ी सो
हाँ,
you mixed it up and you have created a wonder आप पांचों जॉनर को एक ही बुक में पढ़ा रहे हो and you mentioned
yes,
you have defined what love is so in
yes.
one line if I ask you ke, in your opinion what love is so how would you define that
Okay, so love is that unconditional support, in my opinion. And love is that uh, it's not declaration, it's an emotion that one feels about compatibility. This is what I feel, what true
okay
love is. So
we have
uh,
one a
yes.
funny comment ke love is a chemical reaction which makes us hallucinate things about people which ain't even real everybody has an opinion I guess uh,
Yes, but he is not wrong. He is
hmm,
not wrong. It is
okay
a chemical reaction also, because neurologists say that
dopamine factor
oxytocin and serotonin जब
hmm,
बढ़ता है, तो
hmm.
then people start thinking roses are red, violins are playing, and
हाँ,
typical Shahrukh Khan.
पूरा मोहब्बतें वाले
Uh,
feel, वो पीछे से पूरा बैंड आ जाता है
Yes, yes, yes. So that oxytocin and serotonin coming in together is
हम्म,
what does that. And hallucination अभी mental capacity पे depend करता है, कौन कितना मोह माया में माया जाल में फंसा हुआ है. So
fair enough.
ठीक है,
So,
अभी to each to its own.
apart from that, मतलब, it's a very personal question. If you feel comfortable, you can answer that.
Yes,
So, are
yes,
you
please
single
do.
right now? Are you
Sorry?
single or are you in a relationship?
No, I am single right now.
Okay.
Just too busy with
Making a
love.
career, making a life.
Yes,
Okay.
making time. Yes, yes. Because I've
Okay.
got my academic commitments, and love demands time, and I don't have it at that point of time to give that time. So I
Hmm.
said, you know what, let's take it slowly. But yes, once I'm done with this,
Hmm.
I am just waiting for that day कि हाँ भाई कि ये set हो जाए, and that someone special comes in, and
Hmm.
we have a nice date and
You
things like
must
that.
have
So
had crushes, no? Crushes तो रहे होंगे.
yes, 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 of course. I mean, my friends are there, and they will know that yes, I if I say no, then जब भी मैं मिलूंगा मार पड़ने वाली है मुझे.
Exactly. So, coming back to your book, you have,
Yes,
mentioned you have kept a title called The Healing Harbor. So, उस
yes.
title के पीछे क्या thinking थी? What idea did you have?
Okay, so the Healing Harbor is basically it's um so it's from a mindset that eh, when we are going through storms, and when we
Hmm.
are in that जैसे एक शिप है वो अगर storm में है, and if it is having some kind of an issue, then what
Hmm.
happens is it sails safely through the storm, comes
Hmm.
out of the storm, or even an aircraft for that matter.
Hmm.
They during the turbulent skies, they make a safe landing, and
Hmm.
after that safe landing, they go to their respective harbors. For ship, it's a harbor, and
Okay.
for
Okay.
yeah, so the healing harbor is the healing harbor is a term which is when you're emotionally so confused, when you are going through that emotional difficulty personally, then
Hmm.
what is that anchorage, or what is that harbor? And this is that book for you if you are questioning what's happening with me, because I have also added how to handle emotional turmoil. It's from chapters 14 to 17. So
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So,
So
particularly अगर particular इसको
uh,
book को अगर conclude करें and you might have researched something about the book मतलब जो आप लिखने
yes.
बैठे होंगे. So what
Uh-huh.
challenges did you face? मतलब particularly लोगों को होता है ना जब किसी particular topic के बारे में research कर रहे होते हैं तो they might face any
Uh,
writing block or writer's
hmm,
block or
hmm.
any kind of scenario. So what challenges did you face?
So, firstly, I mean, uh, so f- I think your question is in two parts. Like, what were my references? A,
Hmm.
and second, what is means what were the challenges? So, I'll answer the first part. So, first of all, I think that I had a course in my alma mater, OP Jindal Global University, called um, Modern Love Relationship in Psychology of Modern Love. Yes, sorry,
Hmm.
Psychology of Modern Love,
Hmm.
and how to navigate through it. So
Hmm.
we had these particular readings, um, and Professor Tani Chaudhary was the course instructor for that. So I
Okay.
ended up auditing that course, और मुझे वो एक course इतना पसंद आया that I didn't take it formally, but I ended up auditing it. And since I ended up
Okay.
auditing it, so I already had the required readings, and I already had this full aspect of how to include these scientific readings into my write-up.
Okay.
So that is what I did. I read these people,
Hmm.
researched on them, and then I thought कि ये मेरे story में कहाँ बैठ रहा है. So
Okay.
then I wrote it accordingly. So,
Perfect.
and it is there, like all these things are there in the bibliography of my
Hmm.
book. So I have
Okay.
written it properly, everything is mentioned. So please get the book. This is what I can say.
Definitely, definitely. People मतलब are gonna love it. And we have a
Yes.
comment from विनोद भारती. एक हिंदी शायरी आई है. हम
Huh.
हवाओं से पता पूछते रह गए उनका और वो पानी बनकर दरिया में बह गए. And we have
uh,
a question from Mini Loves Drama as well. कि what's your
okay.
thought on today's Gen Z's terms like situationship, benching, friends with benefit, and all these scenarios? So we have
Okay.
a question for you as well.
I am Gen Z myself, and my thoughts are I am pretty liberal about it. Like अगर
Okay.
दो लोगों को ये सब agreed है तो
Hmm.
करो, because how you receive love and how you want to continue your commitment is a lookout for each and every person. So in that there's nothing like right and wrong. If your right is someone else's right, then it
Hmm.
works. If your wrong is someone else's wrong, it's wrong.
Hmm.
So that compatibility. But if there's certain person thinks it's a right and certain person thinks it's a wrong, then
Hmm.
don't go ahead with that. You find your right. There are a lot of people, जैसे कहते हैं कि plenty of sea in the ocean. So go ahead with that. And
Hmm.
I mean, I'd say that, and mental peace is utmost important for striving a good relationship, because a good
Exactly. Hmm.
relationship is
Hmm.
a companionship and it's your support system eventually. So try to get someone who's as close to your ideology as possible. This is
Hmm.
what I feel. And I feel these terms, which are like situationship, benching, and all that, it is just, in my opinion, I might be wrong. I might be cancelled for saying this, but still,
Hmm.
I will take that chance and say it. That I feel it's like जो EMI scheme चलती है ना, use the product now and pay later. All
Exactly.
this is just that. And
तो आजकल मार्केट में एक
so
ओपन रिलेशनशिप काइंड ऑफ टर्म भी है कि पीपल,
all
हाँ,
these things, situationship, open relationship,
हम्म,
benching, then
हम्म,
there was this new term called
every
something.
every day every day a term comes up regarding these
Yes,
particular
yes,
scenarios,
yes. All
and
these
many
terms are.
research.
हाँ
But
हाँ.
yeah, I do agree with your point. But yeah, the thing you said, no, कि सामने वाले का वो पर्सपेक्टिव आपके जैसा होना चाहिए. That's it.
Yes, yes,
हाँ.
yes.
So
And
that
I.
means कि how your relationship is gonna work in the future, और क्या वर्क नहीं करेगा, और if नहीं करेगा तो वो रीजन
Yes.
आपको पहले से मालूम था कि वो पर्सनालिटी नहीं मैच कर रही है कहीं ना कहीं, बट यू स्टिल.
Yes. हाँ
ओके.
जी.
सो
Yes, so I think it's
यस.
just मतलब ये just है कि मतलब आजकल जैसे the world is working on EMI, so we have found a love में हमें एक EMI चाहिए, तो हमने ये कर दिया अपने लिए with
Nowadays I
different
think
terms.
people are, they want that attention. In
Attention,
terms
yes, yes.
of, मतलब सोसाइटी में अगर हैंग आउट भी कर रहे हैं तो
हाँ.
पहले ही क्या होता था ना, पहले एक पर्सपेक्टिव होता था कि अगर एक मैन ये कह रहा है कि आई एम इन रिलेशनशिप विद 3 4 गर्ल्स और ये वो, तो वो स्टड लगता था, कूल लगता था.
Yes,
बट नाउअडेज पीपल
yes.
थिंक कि अगर एक वुमेन भी ये सेम चीज बोलेगी, शी विल आल्सो लुक कूल कूल. तो वो
नहीं
एक,
see, हाँ हाँ,
हम्म,
please, sorry, yeah, वो
हाँ,
एक.
वो एक सिनेरियो मेरे ख्याल से पीपल आर want to have more attention in towards anything nowadays.
यस नहीं, पर मेरे लिए ना, आई थिंक दिस इज एवोल्यूशन दैट आई गो बैक टू इट. तो पहले क्या होता था, सिंस there weren't a lot of birth control wasn't developed a lot,
हाँ.
and we were all hunters and gatherers as human beings. तो
हम्म.
हमारा कैसे था कि we were all hunters and gatherers, and जैसे सेक्सुअल नीड्स आर नीड्स, जैसे भूख लगती है वैसे सेक्स करने की अर्ज होती है.
Exactly.
And the issue with that is that you
हम्म.
end up bringing a life, and if you bring a life in the world, then whose responsibility is it? So
Exactly.
this is what us humans must have thought, that so let's institutionalize this process. Hence marriage का concept आया, and marriage का concept आने की वजह से what happened is कि ये सारी चीजें स्ट्रीमलाइन हो गई. एंड देन इट वाज लाइक कि ये इनफेडिलिटी हो या अपने जो
हम्म.
जीन्स बढ़ाने का हमें एक जो ह्यूमंस में या इवन इन एवरी स्पीशीज एक जो एक ट्रेट है, वो बहुत ज्यादा था. तो द रिस्ट्रिक्शन वाज कि men don't have any responsibility with the child because it's not coming out from them, so it is women
Yeah.
who should be safer with that. अगर
हम्म.
एक मैन चला जाता है, निकल जाता है
हम्म.
दूर, कहीं कहाँ ढूंढने जाओगे, कहाँ पकड़ोगे उसको?
हम्म.
absconding. So you move on, right? But the child, but the mother with the child, वो क्या करेगी? She can just disown the child at max, but after a certain age, not before
Exactly.
that.
Hmm.
So that's why I think these things were made at that point of time कि ये नहीं करते हैं और women were punished because of it. But
Hmm.
आज क्योंकि things are different and
Hmm.
now women are very independent, they are as good as men. So I
Hmm.
think this has eased up and I think genetically वो समझने के लिए ना it will take 3-4 generations for us to make peace with it and एक जो सोसाइटी के नॉर्म्स होते हैं एक नॉर्म को पहले चैलेंज किया जाता है जैसे बैक इन द डे व्हेन जो बात सॉरी बैक इन द डे जब
Hmm.
फेमिनिस्ट थॉट आया था तब मैरी वॉलस्टोन क्राफ्ट जो थी उन्होंने चैलेंज किया था कि व्हाई इज इट लाइक दैट व्हाई आर
Hmm.
ओनली मेन अलाउड टू वोट व्हाई नॉट अस या जो भी
Exactly.
उस टाइम के फेमिनिस्ट थिंकर्स थे उन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन किया था तो आज भी
Hmm.
वही हो रहा है मेरे हिसाब से कि आज भी पीपल आर क्वेश्चनिंग कि व्हाई इज इट कूल फॉर अ मैन बट व्हाई नॉट कूल फॉर अस एज वुमेन
Exactly.
so
तो आई
now
थिंक
the
जो
answer is
दिक्कत
very
चीजें
simple. It
वो
is
थिंकिंग
कि
एंड वो राइट दे हैव गॉट इट राइट मतलब
yes,
आज के
yes, yes,
सिनेरियो में दे आर काइंड ऑफ कंसिडर्ड मतलब कुछ पार्ट
yes.
ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मतलब देयर वी विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग बट हाँ मोस्टली 90% women are considered to be equal as a man nowadays. So I think that's
हाँ,
that's very good. As a society I think we are evolving, and I
yes,
agree with your point that it is
yes.
evolution at the end.
यस 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 इट्स एवोल्यूशन एंड जो
Hmm.
कंट्रीज में वुमेन पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा है और मेन पॉपुलेशन कम है उधर
Hmm.
हम देखते हैं कि
हाँ.
वुमेन आर यू नो वुमेन आर मोर ओपन टू
Hmm. Hmm. हाँ.
सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटीज लाइक ईस्टर्न
Exactly.
यूरोप हो गया या थिंग्स
Hmm.
लाइक दैट सो
Hmm.
इवन ब्राजील ऑल्सो फॉर दैट मैटर सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द नीड ऑफ द आर एंड एवोल्यूशन यही मुझे लगता है बाकी इसमें कुछ नहीं है एंड जिस सोसाइटी ने और रिलीजन ने एक बस एक अपना ना तड़का छोटा सा डाल के रखा है इस सब में बाकी मुझे
हाँ.
इस सब में कोई बड़ा इशू लगता नहीं
Fair enough.
है टू
Fair
बी
enough.
वेरी फ्रैंक
So,
यस
you mentioned in your book that your book is, brutally honest about relationships as well. So,
यस यस
do you ever feel कि आप मतलब people अगर कोई पढ़ेगा ऐसे तो यू माइट बी पुशिंग देयर बाउंड्रीज एज वेल जैसे हमारे सोशल मीडिया पे होता है अब हम कुछ कुछ रील देखते हैं कुछ हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस लग जाती हैं उस रील से वी वांट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इन अ पार्टनर या मैं घर पे वो चीज ढूंढने लगूंगा बाहर वो चीज ढूंढने लगूंगा सो डू यू थिंक कि वो पर्टिकुलर बुक से जो मैसेज आ रहा है दैट पुशेस बाउंड्रीज एज वेल
nahi. In my book, there's no pushing of boundary. It's more of a realization. But
ओके
if people are very conservative and people are very कि ये बात क्या कर रहा है ये तो then अभी ऑफेंड होना है तो किसी भी बात पे हो सकते हो so
ऑब्वियसली
I
एक
mean
एक
but
कमेंट मैंने पहले भी पढ़ा था कि पीपल अगर आप पीपल डू ऑफेंड अगर आप ये भी बोल दो कि अर्थ इज राउंड
यस 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 यस
पीपल
यस सो
टेक ऑफेंस इन दैट
उसको हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते बट माई बैकिंग दिस लव स्टोरी is in a story shape, but everything that is mentioned is from data backed scientific journals जो bibliography में mention किए गए हैं. So
ओके
it's a very thought after and then written. It's not कि बस ऐसे ही लिख दिया कुछ भी ऐसे नहीं है और किसी को भी every perspective is taken care of and that in the book you will get to know that how this takes uh, um, how this evolves and takes forward moves forward with the story so
अब
mostly
particularly I
it's
don't be
via characters sorry
yeah you were saying something
yes mostly it's via characters and if
Hmm.
you feel any comfort or relatability with a particular character
Hmm.
तो आपको फिर लग सकता है कि हाँ ये मैं ऐसा हूँ एंड ही इज टचिंग अ नर्व सो देन आई
Hmm.
डोंट टेक एनी
नहीं दैट
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
दैट
फॉर इट
दैट
देन
क्रिएट्स एन इम्पैक्ट मतलब अगर सपोज मैं कोई बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ एंड वो
यस
मेरी पर्सनल नर्व को कोई टच कर रहा है या फिर उसको कोई पर्टिकुलर
यस
एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है वो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट बुक का सो आई विल गेट एडिक्टेड टू इट नॉट मैं उसको रख दूंगा साइड में कि मैं डर जाऊंगा आई गेट एडिक्टेड
हाँ
टू इट कि मैं एक्सप्लोर करूंगा कि और
यस
कितना पार्ट टच किया उसने so
हाँ
that is a
हाँ
good
हाँ
thing I
तो
guess you have done on your part मतलब being
यस
in this
यस
stage you have realized somehow how to मार्केटिंग का थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट भी आपने उसमें डाल दिया. दैट्स ग्रेट, दैट्स ग्रेट.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And my next question would be, let's add, I don't want you to be, give out any spoiler or all that, but does this love story end in a, good way, like कल हो ना हो type of, या फिर आशिकी 2 वाला scenario रहता है इसमें लास्ट में?
um,
मतलब if you are comfortable
दोनों
enough.
भी नहीं, दोनों भी नहीं, बट वी कैन से कल हो ना हो जैसा ही है
अच्छा,
मोस्टली,
ओके,
कि
ओके.
नैना कैथरीन कपूर और ये थी मेरी कहानी.
हाँ.
बिकॉज आई एम अ बिग कल हो ना हो फैन, सो आई नो ईच एंड एवरी डायलॉग. सो सो इट्स मोर लाइक कल हो ना हो. अच्छी एंडिंग है, अच्छी कहानी है, सब कुछ
ओके.
बहुत पॉजिटिव है, और जो
हम्म.
नेगेटिव है वो भी पॉजिटिव वे में रिफ्लेक्ट किया गया है. सो
हम्म.
बुरी चीजें भी अच्छी तरीके से बताई गई है. It's all about self-realization that people will, once people read it, people will have that. So, yes.
ओके. सो पर्टिकुलर ये बुक को लिखने में कितना टाइम लगा आपको?
It took me, ideation took me around a good 1 year, and then
1 year. Okay.
likhna to was very quick. It was just 3 months mein I was done. So, it was very
नहीं,
fast.
दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ थिंग,
Yeah.
नो, मतलब जहाँ काफी सारे राइटर्स अटक जाते हैं. दैट इज द पार्ट वेयर यू सेड कि इट वाज वेरी क्विक. सो
Yes, yes.
काइंड ऑफ, आई गेस यू ब्लेस्ड ऑफ कि मतलब
Yes,
जहाँ
really.
राइटर्स राइटर्स रुक जाते हैं, मतलब सोचने लगते हैं, दे गो
हाँ,
आउट, थोड़ा माइंड फ्रेश करने के लिए, तो वो जो वो टाइम लगाते हैं ना, वो टाइम
हाँ.
कब एक्सटेंड हो जाता है एंड वो कब पीछे रह जाते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर डेडलाइन से, वो खुद को भी नहीं रियलाइज कर पाते.
Yes.
दैट्स अ गुड
नहीं,
थिंग.
आई वर्क, मेरा राइटिंग फिलोसॉफी थोड़ा अलग है. सो
ओके.
दिस आई वाज टॉट इन माय अल्मा मैटर, ओपी जिंदल ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी. देयर आई वाज टोल्ड दैट whatever you are supposed to write, you think first and then you start writing. Don't write first and then you start thinking.
हम्म.
What you can do is you can think, write, and then go back on it and see ki how can it be better. बट दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. मैंने कहानी सोच रखी थी, लाइक प्लॉट्स में मैंने डिवाइड कर रहा था, पार्ट 1 ऐसा होगा, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3,
हम्म.
पार्ट 4, ऐसे ये माउंट होगी कहानी.
हम्म.
एंड मेरे दिमाग में ना एक, मैंने इसके ऊपर ना फिल्म बना दी थी, एंड दैट
ओके.
फिल्म वाज रिटन. So my little director insights and filmmaking insights took in here, plus the training that I had received about how to
तो
write a particular topic. So
अभी पर्टिकुलर
पहले
अगर
यही कहते हैं
सिचुएशन.
कि critical thinking is very important for you to writing. So the first step of writing is critical thinking,
हम्म.
and then breaking it down into smaller questions, plotting it, creating a layout of what it is going to happen, how you intend to project it, और सारे आंसर्स आपके पास में उस एक सिटिंग में नहीं होंगे.
हम्म.
You have to accept that. So some things will be like कि ठीक है, हम कर लेंगे, we'll take a small detour and check. So
हम्म.
that space you will have to allow. You can't structure it perfectly and then start writing it that here my sixth word will be and my seventh,
हम्म.
my 10th word will be y, and my fourth
हम्म.
word will be Alric Rosenblatt. You can't have that.
हम्म.
You need to have a structure that in this chapter I want to discuss about politics. In the next chapter I want to discuss about how love making happens and how their trip was.
हम्म.
So ये करके then you start putting in what where how. So
तो आई गेस
this is
वो
my
आपको
writing
भी,
style.
आई गेस सबसे पहला काम इस लाइव खत्म होने के बाद, आई गेस यू शुड ऐड वर्ड्स लाइक राइटिंग कोच इन योर यूजर नेम एज वेल. दैट माइट डू वंडर्स फॉर यू, बिकॉज हाउ यू
Yes.
हैव नरेटेड योर राइटिंग जर्नी, नो. So I have talked to a lot of authors. I have talked to people who have written, पांच बुक्स निकाल दी, छह बुक्स निकाल दी,
हाँ
but
जी.
they haven't explained this to anyone in this depth. So I'm
Thank
not
you. Thank you so much. Means a lot. I mean,
you can,
it's the
give out
biggest
some classes.
compliment.
Sorry?
It's the biggest compliment. I'll take that to my grave.
Definitely. Matlab, you should, think seriously on how to if you can help out another writer, and you can have start some classes and all these things, so that would be
Yes,
a good thing for the society as well. So
yes,
you mentioned that you in your mind you had a movie kind of scenario, your mind directed that. So अभी के scenario में अगर हम suppose हीलिंग हार्बर के मूवी बनाते हैं, so who would be main actor and main actresses?
main actor and main actresses. I think actor, I'd say Shahid Kapoor in Indian film
शाहिद
industry
कपूर,
would do
हम्म।
very well.
वो एक सॉफ्ट
Uh,
बॉय era भी था ना शाहिद कपूर का, वो इश्क
yes,
वाला
yes.
and वो, हाँ,
Because he can pull out both soft boy, because he's done Jab We Met, plus he's done
हाँ,
Kabir Singh. So
कबीर
I
से
need that spectrum, or even
सेम
Ranbir
सेम
Kapoor
सेम अक्षय
also.
खन्ना का सिनेरियो अगर हम उठाएं, तो वो सॉफ्ट बॉय हंगामा में एंड अभी के टाइम पे रहमान डकैत, तो
Yes, 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 yes.
एंड द
And
एक्ट्रेसेस।
actresses, I think a good fit would be some new face. I'd go for some new face. One is maybe Harnas Kaur Sandhu will be a good fit for Elzena,
ओके।
and for Azmara, I think I don't have a name on top of my head, but I
नो,
think Vaishnavi Andale or Meenakshi Chaudhary could do a good job.
ओके, मतलब द बट ये दो एक्ट्रेसेस एंड द मेन एक्टर वुड बी शाहिद।
Yes, yes, Shahid would
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
do.
So, before we leave this, interview, we put things
Yes.
and summarize. So, one last message to your audience, and one last message that you want, to people to get, matlab, in terms of philosophy, in terms of love, in terms of ideology, in terms of, in your book as well.
Yeah.
Matlab, one last message, what would that be?
One last message.
Hmm.
So it's I'd suggest that love with passion, love with compatibility, love with
Hmm.
thought. Don't
Hmm.
just jump into something that is a mere attraction or attention. That's
Hmm.
what I would like to say. Secondly, we all have our ups and downs, but in our ups and downs, who's that support system that you would rely upon is your real healing harbor
Fair
in
enough.
that sense. And third message is please read my book. There's a lot of, because not because
Hmm.
it's my book or I have written it, but because the storyline is
Hmm.
just amazing, and you will not find something like that in and around the
Yeah, exactly. Matlab,
the world.
total of
Like, I mean,
4 or 5 genres
five
in one book.
genres are combined into
Exactly.
one book, and I think it will also be a good life coaching if someone is struggling with love, with aspects of love, with aspects of their mental health. And thirdly, if this is a good book for people who have a very fast-paced life
Hmm.
and want to just relax and sit back. So and still continue with what they are doing, not take uh, uh, do I say it not relieve themselves from all their duties, but yet have that sense
Correct.
of yeah, sense of duty, but
Hmm.
still work towards peace. This is
With
what the
that, you can
book
start on your
is on.
channel as well. I guess, matlab, if you start something like this, I'll drop you a text that it was my first note thing that I noticed about you.
Yes, thank you so much. I mean,
Great.
if I
So,
can help the world in any way, I'd love to. So yes,
perfect, perfect, perfect. That's a great
yes,
ideology. And thank you so much for joining in, Siddharth, today. And you have shared a lot of wisdom and lot of things that people should know about, and people should gain from this particular live as well. And thank you for
yes,
people who have joined. And please do check out Mr. Siddharth's book that is live on Amazon, Flipkart, and Blu-ray Store. The name is The Healing Harbor. So do drop a review, and please, if you want to connect with the author themselves, we have tagged the ID in our comment section
Yes.
and particular in the Instagram live. So you can reach out to Mr. Siddharth anytime if you have any doubts regarding writing and the book as well. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to him. And thank you once again, Siddharth, for joining in.
Thank you so much.
Wish you
Thank you
very
so
all
much,
the best.
Amog. It was amazing talking. So yes.
Same here, likewise. Thank you so much for joining in and have a great day. Thank you so much,
You
people,
too. You
and
too.
I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.